Okay, friends. So today you have been asking me for this style transfer on video on this cartoon detection. So, oh my God, as I have to tell you, this cartoon detection is being done on Facebook and everything. You have been seeing my cartoon detection and everything. So now what I'm going to tell you is you can just do this wonderful cartoon detections in this, and you first what you have to do is you have to make a script. Okay, you have to make a Python script which runs which splits the video. Okay, so I will give you the script. There is a link for this. So this is the link for this is the script. So first you have to cut the videos. So after, oh my God, okay, after you cut the videos, you just put R over here and all these things. Okay, all these uh, directory details, and you just give the correct image naming. And what you have to do is you have to go to this wonderful GitHub repo. So we have to thank Mr. Ejun Maverick. Okay, he has given a wonderful repo. You can do this cartoon detection. So don't wait for the Facebook to do this. Give another. Kind of thing. So it will take lots of time. It will take another lot of time to make a video cartoon GAN detection. So we will do this. It's so easy that first you have to clone the GitHub repo. Okay, it is very easy to do. So first thing is you have to clone it. Cloning is nothing but you have to put git clone. Okay, come on. Okay, first what you have to do is you have to put git clone. Okay, it will git clone it, and after that you have to mount the drive. The drive is over here, and after that you check what type of graphics card is given. Okay, so these are the two commands, and you have to put ch. You have to go inside this pre-trained model, and you have to give the ch minus 777 mod, and you have to then do this to download. Okay, give the permission, and again you have to come out of it and give a cd like this. And here what you have to do is you have to give the directory name. Okay, drive's directory name. So I have the original input images in this drive. Okay, when you go here, so it is being done. Okay, it is being done. So as you can see here, the input images are over here. It is very large in size, but I don't know how to resize it. Okay, it is a large size thing. So you have to give the directory over here, and you have to give the model. This is an Paprika. So you have seen lots of so as you can see, this is an input video. Okay, this thing is very huge, and I will tell you, if the image is too small, you can resize it. It will take a 2 or more day work to do. But after that, what you have to do is you have to give the output directory. So this is the thing. So after you give this, you choose the model. The model is supposed to be here. Okay, Paprika and all those things, and you have to create an folder in this. So right click and create an folder, or right click here and create an folder and rename it. And after that, what you have to do is you have to go to this test.py. Okay, test.lua or test.py, and you don't want to change anything. And now what you have to do is you have to change this kind of directory. So copy this by right clicking and paste it over here, and in here it star appears. So I'm just pasting it. So for example, I am creating another directory now. Okay, for example, new folder, and I am saying it new for YouTube. Okay, for YouTube I am making a video. So like that. So then what you have to do is it is being created. Okay, let's see. Oh, where is it? New for YouTube. You just copy this thing and go here, and you just paste it. Okay, just paste it. So now what model I'm going to choose is, I'm just going up. I have choose the other model. So the last one would be this. So I'm copying this. Okay, and I'm just pasting it over here. Okay, so this should be this can be only done. Okay, this is not there is no need of any error or anything. You can just run it. So you just click this, and the wonders will be done. Okay, now we have this on our. So oh my God, what happened? So there is some sort of error. Okay, so there is some sort of error. Okay, so now what we have done is we have to give it as like this. Okay, Shinkai, not all those directories for style. You have to give it in this manner, and you just click it. It will run good. Okay, GPU mode comes. It means that you are good to run. Okay, so far we have modeled a very good thing. So don't wait for the Facebook to release another thing, another kind of video for image detection. So this is for cartoon, for a cartoon GAN style transfer. So as you can see, there will be wonders like this. You will have wonderful thing like this. Okay, you can publish it on YouTube and everything. Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm singing song, huh? Just happy to make video.